Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all doing good today, wherever you're at. So today's video is going to be jam-packed. Some big stuff we're going to go over is one, Tesla accepting Bitcoin, two, Raydium adding more liquidity pools for different coins, and then three, what is Bitclout? I'm going to go over that and also some new indicators that I came across. So please stay tuned because it's going to be a really good video for this. So first off, let's go for Tesla accepting Bitcoin. So not even an hour ago, Elon Musk tweeted, you can now buy a Tesla with Bitcoin. So this has been insane. A lot of coins have been pumping in the past hour due to this. And even below it is even bigger. It says pay by Bitcoin capability available outside US later this year. And then this is the biggest one here. Tesla is using only internal and open source software and operates Bitcoin nodes directly. Bitcoin paid to Tesla will be retained as Bitcoin, not converted to fiat currency. That is huge because that says, hey, if they accept Bitcoin, they're not going to sell it and dump it on the market. So this is just another way that Elon Musk is helping to hoard Bitcoin, reducing the supply as the demand increases, thus driving the price even higher. So this is some really big news, and I'm so happy for this. Elon Musk seems like he just keeps supporting Bitcoin more and more and putting his money where his mouth is. So huge on Tesla's part and Elon Musk, and love to see what this does with the price and future companies going forward and accepting cryptocurrency. Now, with that, let's real quick go and look over our watch list. So again, a lot of coins pumping because of that news. Some coins I started to get bullish on recently is Alpha. Right now it's up 23%. A lot of people have been talking about this recently, so I expect this to have a nice pump over the next couple of weeks. And then our two NFT coins, WaxP and Red Fox Labs. Since our notice in the Discord group, our alert, it has gone up over 300% from 8 cents to 25 cents. And then Red Fox Labs has gone up 100% from 15 cents to 30 cents. Another one, Utrust, I'm big on. That's been announced by a lot of big Twitter accounts, and there will be a few big projects coming out in the next couple of months. So expect this one to go up a lot. And then also, again, Raydium has been coming out with more pools, so that's a good one. And then CTSI, this one pumped a lot today, actually, so keep an eye on this. It's ranked 305 right now, but Frontier, actually, in less than a week, it's going to actually have a huge announcement and have some big partnerships. So again, this one is one to watch. And then finally, last but not least, again, always watching here, Nerve Finance. Again, it's low rank right now, but I think this one can have a lot of room to the upside. Some good developers behind it, so one to keep an eye on. So next, let's go over Raydium. I mentioned there's extra pools that they've added. So they've added fusion pools, which this basically means whenever you stake these two coin pairs, you actually earn each of those coins. You don't just earn Ray tokens like you do with the farms, such as Ray Serum, Ray Solar, Ray Ethereum. So this is big because now they're accepting FIDA, Oxy, MAPS, and KIN. And you can see here they have the different APRs for each coin. So FIDA right now is giving 226% APR, then Ray is giving 73% in this pool. So basically, when you stake it, you'll first need to provide liquidity here for say, for example, Ray, and then you'll have a FIDA pool. And so you'll click that, and then you'll connect your wallet. You'll add the pools. It needs to be equal amounts of each. Once you add that, then it'll show your liquidity down here. From there, you can go here, and then you can click, go to connect your wallet, and then go to stake, and it'll basically stake one of your liquidity pools that you have, and then you'll start earning your Ray and FIDA based off these APRs, and then you can harvest them, withdraw them to your wallet, or go ahead and reinvest them into staking, which basically harvests. You'll go to swap, and basically you can swap them, or just go to liquidity, basically stake them as liquidity again, and then go back to farms and add them again. So super simple here. And again, more pools is more opportunities. If you hold any of these coins, again, get some Ray, earn some great APR on that. And then third, we're going to talk about Bitclout. So Bitclout has been a big issue the past couple of weeks. Again, Twitter is really separated on this. Half say it's a scam, half say it's real. I'm kind of undecided right now because, again, you still cannot withdraw your Bitclout. You deposit BTC, purchase Bitclout coin, then from there you can buy any of these investors' or creators' coins, I should say. So you see the blue check marks means their account's verified, so the owner has verified it through their Twitter. So Chamath, Tyler Winklevoss, and Cameron Winklevoss were actually huge. They just, I believe, verified their account today. So you can see a lot of these creator coins have gone up a lot, and so there is a lot of opportunity for this. I just created my coin here at Crypto Data, But again, it's still up in the air right now. There was an article that came out by CoinDesk. It says, "What is Bitclout? The social media experiment sparking controversy on Twitter." Basically, they talked with Diamond Hands, who is the Anon, who's basically, I guess, one of the co-founders of Bitclout. And you can see here a big thing with this is he says, Diamond Hands sent CoinDesk a list of investors via email, which included Sequoia, Anderson Horowitz, Social Capital, TQ Ventures, Coinbase Ventures, Winklevoss Capital, Arlington Capital, Polychain, Pantera, and then Huobi, Variant, and others. So these are some huge names, and this is crazy because one, you can't withdraw Bitclout yet. It's not accepted anywhere. So it's really, you just deposit BTC, buy the Bitclout coin, and then buy creator coins from there. So because of that, again, a lot of people are still worried about this, which I don't blame them. But to date, I believe it says they've raised over $155 million, which is insane to think about. So again, be wary with Bitclout, but I just want to explain to you what it is and why it's gotten so big, because I guess, investors can make coins, the coins go up, and then they earn more Bitclout when people buy their coins, so on and so forth. So keep in mind, there is some risk because you cannot withdraw your coins yet, but the creators here say that in the future they are working on it, and basically it says they run a proof of work blockchain, and the co-creators felt like they needed those well-known names to make creators feel confident that the project was real. So we'll see if this comes to fruition. Again, still speculation, but so many big names are in this. It's hard to think it's fake, but you never know in this space, so always be careful and do your own research. Lastly, we're going to go over some technical analysis, and first we're going to go over Bitcoin here on the 12-hour. Now, looking at 12-hour, I just want to mention here, so these indicators here, price extractor and volume extractor, two indicators I found from CryptoScripts. He's pretty good with indicators, and you can see here, whenever this price extractor and volume extractor line up on both sell signals here, that then it has a huge downturn, or it has a strong move. So here, basically, I like to combine these with my MACD, and then from there you can see they're both overbought, and then bam, it went to the downside, a large move. I mean, this is a 12-hour. And then you can see here that there is a green diamond on the price extractor and a rocket and a green oversold signal on the volume extractor. And you can see right here at the very bottom, actually coincides with this trend line perfectly. And that was your entry there at 47,500. Look at that, you rode that all the way up until 60,000, in which the price extractor gave you a sell signal here, and then it rode that all the way down to 54,300. So this has been insane, combining these two indicators. Again, both of them are good on their own. When they're combined, they're even better. They're by this guy named CryptoScripts on TradingView. If you want to get these, contact him. But yeah, these have been helping me a lot. And again, looking at the daily chart, you can see this trend line here that I drew. It has been providing support. So right now, Bitcoin is breaking above it, which is bullish. So if we can remain above this 55,400 level, that is definitely going to be bullish for us. And then again, the next resistance we're looking at is 56,500. After that, going to be looking at 58,000. And if we do break back down here, then looking at that support to hold at 54,300, and then finally 51,800. So we're going to see what happens there. Next, looking at Ethereum. So Ethereum, you can see here, these two price extractor and volume extractors, a red alarm signal and a red diamond signal. You can see that got you in from 1660 and then to a low of about 1550. And then after that, they gave you two diamonds here on both indicators. Perfect buy signal, went from 1480 all the way up actually to a high of about 1930. So drawing this trend line here on Ethereum as well. Right now it's on that support level of 1670. So looking for it to maintain that. Next resistance is going to be 1755, and then from there 1870. But if it does break this support of 1660, looking for it to hold this diagonal support of about 1590 to about 1600. So if we can hold that, again, we can maintain this bullish momentum here, this bullish trend. MACD right now is starting to curve to the upside. If we can go a little bit lower here on the 4-hour, then we can see right now that MACD does want to cross up, but again, be careful. You are getting a red diamond here on the price extractor. Could have some short-term downside, but has not confirmed yet. we still have 4 hours for that. So again, keep in mind, if that does confirm, then we could have possible short-term downside. But right now, support has been holding well, so we'll see what happens with that, and if this MACD can cross to the upside and push us to that 1760 level. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions. And again, if you want to join my Discord group, there's a small monthly fee, or you can get lifetime access. Please contact me on Discord or on Twitter up there. And then if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below or in any of these links as well. So with that, till next time, thanks for watching.